Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do an update for my rolling project pan for 2018. Now, I last did the intro about a month and a half ago, so this is going to be the first update, and I kind of just unintentionally took the month of February off from filming. Our schedule was really crazy, so I just wasn't able to come down and film, but I'm back, and hopefully I'm going to be able to keep up this momentum, keep filming pretty regularly. I do like to upload here on my channel at least once a week, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get into the update. I did manage to finish off 2 of the products, so I will be adding in 2 new products at the end of the video. So I will go through the products I finished first, then show you where I'm at with all the other products from the intro, and then I will add in the 2 new products at the end. Alright, so the first product that I ended up finishing, and I'm so happy that this is out of my collection because, as I said in the intro video, I just really did not like this product. This was the e.l.f. Lip Exfoliator, and this was supposed to be the Mint Maniac scent. It just smells like plastic. It was really quite gross, but I did end up finishing it. I could dig out a little bit more in there if I wanted to, but I don't want to, so I'm considering that one completely finished, and I'm so happy about that. And then here is the other product that I finished. This was just a little sample from Urban Decay. This is their Naked Skin Color Corrector Fluid, and this was the green one. This really didn't last me as long as I thought it would. I went through this pretty quick, and as you can see, there is barely anything that comes off on the applicator here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and consider this one done. I would not purchase this again. It wasn't bad, and it was fun to try, but it's not something that I think that I really need. So then now moving on to all the products that were in the intro that I am still working on. The first one here is my Mary Kay powder. I've been using this very regularly, and when I say very regularly, I mentioned in my Pan That Palette update that I'm just not wearing makeup all that often right now, unfortunately. With how crazy our schedule has been, I just haven't had time to put on makeup very often, but every time I use my makeup, I do use this powder, so I am definitely making some progress on it. Hopefully this can be done by the next update. There isn't that much left, but we will see. I don't know that you're going to be able to see really how much is left in there, but like I said, it's not much. It's definitely getting down to the end, which I'm very happy about because that is a very old powder. And then here's the eyeshadow primer that I've been working on. This one is from Too Faced. It's just their basic shadow insurance. I think this is a sample size. You can see I've got 2 lines here. Hopefully this will focus for you. So yeah, you can see I was there at the start of this project, and then now I'm all the way down there. So a little bit of use, which is always good. You really don't need that much of that product to begin with. And then here is my eyeliner that I've been working on since I think September of last year. This thing is never ending, especially considering it's 2-sided and I'm only working on one side. This thing is just not quitting. But that is what this currently looks like. I went back and looked at my intro video to see how much I had used of this, and it looks like I've maybe sharpened down about a 1/2 inch on this product. So it's just super slow going. I'm guessing I've gotten till about there. This is where I think the mill was when this eyeliner was brand new. So I don't think I will be done with this eyeliner by the next update, but I could surprise myself. I don't know, we'll see. But I've just been working on that eyeliner forever. It feels like I am wearing it today, and it's just very slow going. And then here's the bronzer that I've been working on. It is from my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and it's all busted up and broken. And I have made some significant progress on it. Hopefully by the next update this thing will be done. I can't imagine that it wouldn't be, because I do think I made quite a bit of progress in the last month and a half or so. But yeah, it's okay. The more I've used this thing though, I think the less I like it. I just don't really love the color of this bronzer, but we're getting down, you know, so far to the end of this product that I'm just gonna go ahead and finish it. I am wearing it today, but I did really take my time to blend it out with some other powder just to make sure that it looked nice. And I don't think it looks too bad, but just in general, if I'm trying to slap it on really quick, I don't think it's the best, but because we're down so far with it and it's almost done, I will just go ahead and keep using it. And then now on to the 2 different lip products that I still have in this project. The first one here is my lipstick from Maybelline, and this is the Lust for Blush color. I love this one. It's just so pretty. I used this a ton this month, or the last month and a half, I guess, but you really can't tell. I didn't make a whole lot of progress with this, unfortunately. Hopefully you'll be able to see the 2 little lines that I've got there. I did go ahead and measure that just before I made this video. So that is what that is currently looking like. So yeah, maybe like 1/8 of an inch is what I managed to, you know, kind of dwindle this down by, which is not that much, unfortunately, but I have used it a lot. This is just, you know, a really thick, solid formula. It's one of their creamy matte lipsticks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to use it. I don't think I will finish this, and probably by the time the end of spring rolls around, I'm gonna be super sick of this lipstick, so I'll probably go ahead and switch it out of this project at some point before I finish it, but I'm okay with that. And then here is the lip gloss that I've been working on, and unfortunately I can't show you the progress on this because it has been laying down like this for the last couple days. Unbeknownst to me, I thought I had it like this and it managed to tip over. So that's where I was as of the last update, or as of the intro to this project. And I've used this a little bit, not as much as I really thought that I would. Before I started using it, or before I put this in this project, I was using this lip gloss a ton, and for whatever reason I just haven't been lately. So I need to get back in the habit of just going and putting this on top of all of my lipstick that I'm wearing, or even by itself. You know, I can definitely wear this by itself. So yeah, I don't know why I really haven't used it that much, but there you go. I will definitely try to make it a goal for the next month before the next update to use that a whole bunch. All right, now onto the two products that I will be adding into this project. And the first one is going to be my Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. And you will see I do have two lines here because I was originally going to be adding this in at the beginning of this project, but I ended up with 11 products for one reason or another, so I decided to ditch this one as far as this project goes. Clearly you can see I have been using it. So I marked it way back at the beginning of the project, and then now I just marked it now. So you can see I have been using it. This definitely won't be finished by the next update, but hopefully I can make continued steady progress on that. And then the very last thing that I'm going to be adding into this project right now is my IT Cosmetics CC Cream. This is in the shade Fair. I love this stuff. I think I've gone through 2 other ones of these in the past. I just think it's a really, really great formula. It works with my skin really, really well, and I think I'm about there. It's kind of hard to tell, but I'm pretty sure that's approximately where I am. So I don't think this will take me too long to get through. And I'm gonna try and hold off and not purchase that so I can get through some of my other foundations. But I know when I'm done with this, I'm gonna be really tempted to repurchase that because I just really love it so much. So that was everything that I have to update on as far as my little rolling project pan goes. So every time I do an update, I will continuously be adding in new products because I always wanna have 10 products going. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for a little bit today and watching. If you like Project Pan videos, please go ahead and give this one a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. We can also connect on Instagram. I will have that listed down in the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well so you don't miss any of my future content, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!